mates, welcome back. CryptoCast, what's going on? Thursday, looking like it could be an interesting day as soon as we get through today, right? We had a great Tuesday. Now we're into a little bit of profit taking, potentially to come in and enter these markets. How do we know this, Jay? Look right there on this 4 hour right now. We're starting to get some selling here. And remember, this line right here is your short-term top for Ethereum. Go back, watch the video. I'll link it up top from Tuesday. Talk about that. 10th of November. That's the last top, okay? For Ethereum to now break through, which is this yellow line right there. And then your support line, short-term support line is right down here at 1225. And then again, right down here at about 1165, okay? Those are your legs. We call those legs, okay? When we're trading leverage. This is our zone now. Our zone now is 1340 and 1225. Okay, that's your zone. We're going to trade in that zone. We've been in that zone for what? Since right here. Since the 29th of November. If we cross into that 1225 area and haven't been back below it. Okay? So now, inevitably I always get asked about these trades. About how, okay, now what? Right? What's next? What do I do? Okay, well, here's the deal, mates. And I cover this in a Ethereum Classic video. You should also be looking at Ethereum Classic right now as well. Remember, Ethereum Classic is correlated to Ethereum. Jay, what does that mean? It means its pricing behavior acts 98% of the time the same way Ethereum does. So if Ethereum is going to go down, 98% of the time, Ethereum Classic is going to go down. Okay? And so I always tell people, it's like, look, you know, when you're starting out with, and a lot of times, a lot of people that I mentor, and you've got an opportunity, to get on a call, okay, talk about trading, talk about your plan, talk about and those kinds of things, and understand, if you have $500 that you're willing to put into crypto right now in the bear market, if you have $100 that you're willing to trade you're willing to lose, but you're willing to trade in the bear market. Would you rather put that $500 or that $100 into a $1,340 asset if I told you that it was going to go up or down, say, 4%? Or would you rather put it in a $19 asset? How many tokens is that $19 asset going to get you for your $500 or your $100, right? Your $100 is going to get you like 5 tokens, right? Your $100 is going to get you what in Ethereum? $100 of a $1,340 asset, right? So you get 5 tokens with Ethereum Classic, okay? And that's why I'm saying these people that just trade Ethereum are missing out on massive returns off the same investment mindset prediction that they're making for Ethereum. Like, they did the work for Ethereum and they realized, I think Ethereum is going to go higher. Okay, take the next step, mates. Ethereum Classic is going to go higher too, 98% of the time. Okay? Again, history. That's the value of technicals and history and data. Okay? And so right now, you're looking at Ethereum up from 1265, 10x call. It's reloading. That's weird. Up from 1265 to now 1340. Okay? So a 54.56% move. Is what's happening in Ethereum. Okay. So you can take that 54%, take your profit, okay, exit your trade, and you can be done, right? Or you can look for your exit while also looking for your entry to sell down. So Jay, what's the sell down entry? The sell down entry is you are betting that the value of Ethereum starts to go down. You are shorting it. You're buying a sell down. Okay? That's what's happening. Nice that the screen just took my chart off, but that's okay. That's what happens. You know? That's what happens when there's snow coming down and ice and all of that stuff with the internet. But again, you get the point here. Entered in here, exiting out here. You buy your sell down acts as a hedge. I covered that in the Ethereum Classic video. Your hedge is basically just an insurance policy, mates. It really is. It's to protect your asset appreciation. So you bought at 12.65, it's now 13.40. You want to protect that without selling that. You want to keep that trade open, so you buy a hedge. You buy a sell down at 13.40. So if Ethereum does go down, you can exit. Obviously, your open trade and profit, but then continue and profit on your sell down trade until it flips to green or buy up opportunity again. That's really very simple, mates. People just overcomplicate crypto. They really do. They want you to believe they're smarter than they really are or need to be. It is very simple for you to learn how to use the DMA method, how to use the correlating trading method. Okay? It's very, very simple. You got right now, you get your 5, your 10, and your 30, because I had some mates that asked me to cover that because I predominantly trade the 7, 21, 30, but the 5, 10, 30 is fine. It's just consistently stay with what you trade with. Don't be changing stuff up, okay? Dial in. Don't be trading on the 1 minute and then the 5 minute and then the hour and then the 4, because that's just going to convolute your thinking, okay? You want to trade a level. Pick a leverage level. Pick a trading level in terms of your sticks. Pick their candlestick. I like Heikin-Ashi. Some people like bar. Some people like straight candle. Okay, I mean, lots of people like line. It's up to you. I prefer Heikin-Ashi candles. But just stay with that. Rinse and repeat. That's all we've done. We're going to repeat this trade again, mates. You saw the video from yesterday. This is what the chart looks like. It told us what it's going to do. It's right now, it's above its 7-day, okay, at 12.29. So it's still trading above its 7-day at 12.38, all right? We went ahead and put a hedge in at 13.40, okay, to protect our 12.65 buy up, our bullish call, right? Our long call, okay? These are all terms you can learn in a leverage course, mates. You can send me an email, mycryptoballers@gmail.com. You can follow on TikTok at CryptoCast Leverage. You can follow on Twitter at CryptoBallersX. You can follow all that stuff. I mean, you can follow that stuff. But just shoot me an email. I'll put it in the description. You can shoot me a message on TikTok if you're on TikTok. You shoot me an email on a Gmail. And we'll get together. We'll do a call. Okay. It does not take but 15 minutes to just do a meet and greet call and figure out what questions you might have and think about whether or not leverage trading is right for you or not. That's all it's about. It's about growing people in crypto. It's about getting more people, getting newer people, getting beginner people a better understanding of crypto than what is being offered right now on YouTube. 90% of what's being offered on YouTube is crap. Okay. It just is. It's people that are more concerned with monetization and YouTubing than they are actually educating people about crypto, like blockchain technology, understanding these projects, right? Or trading. Like that's what most people, why do you want to get into crypto? That's the question I'm going to ask you. Why do you want to trade crypto? Why do you trade the stock market? What interests you about crypto? Right? Very simple question. Most people are like, because the opportunity to make, a better, higher rate of return for my family, I'm learning and paying attention is in crypto right now, not in stocks or bonds, or even, although we've got real estate's been appreciating like crazy in the United States, but that's now starting to stop. Store of value, ever heard of that? Like all these things. So but I teach people a simple methods to just trade. And it's not something it takes hundreds of thousands of dollars and thousands of dollars. You can trade with $25. Okay. These are things that people don't want to tell you that. Nobody wants to tell you that. It's not in their interest to tell you that the little guy or the working class guy or the blue collar guy or the soccer coach or the fisherman or whatever can actually trade crypto on his phone with less than $100 and actually use the same strategies and methods that institutional investors are using. Because they don't have vested interest in it. Right? I just want to bring people into crypto. That's all. Been that way for 5 years, 6 years. Just want to bring more people into crypto. That's it. Learn new trading, develop a community. That's it. It's and change people for the good. Demonstrate the good side of crypto. Okay. It's what you can use crypto for and do with crypto that is the value of crypto. Okay, it's not all that YouTube noise that's constantly inundating YouTube. Okay, so you're looking here, and that's how you want to use that hedge as an insurance policy. Okay, you really do. And I apologize that the ice and stuff is this connection. But that's basically it. You can go on TikTok and you can see the graph of where we're at. But you basically know that right now we're at a top, okay, right here. That's of November 10th. So we're now a month plus and challenging this top when we're starting to go red right here. That's why I entered the insurance policy, okay? That's what a hedge is. It's an insurance on your open entry to protect your appreciation, okay, in case this flips. And I recommend using the limits, the good till canceled limit orders on your exchanges if your exchange permits that stuff. Some of the exchanges are not going to allow you to open up a buy up and a sell down in the same asset, which is why we recommend using 2 exchanges. You can learn about how to do that in the course or on a coaching session. It's not, it's very easy to do. Quality exchanges. These exchanges have not had any issues that we are aware of yet with reserves. Okay, so which is a big prominent issue right now, the FTX issue. But again, we don't like to keep all our money on these exchanges. We like to trade on the exchanges. We like to profit on the exchanges. We like to move our profits off the exchange and just keep our trading value, the trades that the money that we're actually going to trade with, and then move the profits off. Okay, that's a simple way of protecting yourself when you're dealing with crypto. And then you can do whatever you want. Convert your crypto to dollars and move it back out. However you want to do it. That's on your, on your end. Whether you want to keep it in cold storage, you want to keep it in storage, keep it at crypto. You're going to come off these exchanges in Bitcoin. So you would move Bitcoin to your wallet. And then if you're, you change that to dollars in another exchange or bank or however you want to do with it, or just keep it in Bitcoin in your wallet. Because almost all these exchanges now, at least the credible ones, are Bitcoin in and Bitcoin out. You move the Bitcoin on the exchange, and then you can convert on the exchange to whatever token that you're going to trade, in this case, Ethereum. Take your profits in Ethereum, convert them on the exchange back to Bitcoin, and then move the Bitcoin off the exchange. That's pretty much your provenance of your trade, okay? Bitcoin in. If you're just trading Bitcoin, it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin trade, Bitcoin exit, Bitcoin transfer, withdrawal. Okay? If it's not Bitcoin, then it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin conversion to Ethereum, Ethereum trade, Ethereum exit trade, Ethereum back to Bitcoin, Bitcoin exit. That's kind of how it works. That's the provenance of the whole type. So it's a little bit more to it than just you're sending $100 or $500 to your broker. Your broker's then using that money to buy you a stock. You're holding the stock in your account. Then your broker's selling the stock, putting the money changing it over to your cash value in your account for you to invest in something else or to deposit to your bank account. It's kind of how it works. That hadn't really changed in a long time, like since the Depression. Except that now we do it all electronically and online, right? So that's Ethereum right now. This quick update from yesterday. We are still up 54.56% in the 1265 10x entry. However, now we've got a 1340 10x sell down hedge in place in Ethereum right now. As you can see right here, we're starting to get a little bit of red doji candle in there being formed. We'll see what happens. See what happens if they can, if the bears come back in and push her back down below that 1328 level, which is their 7-day DMA. If that happens, you're looking at it falling to at least 1315 to test the next level. If it breaks that level, you're looking at it falling all the way back down to 1280 channel, mates. Okay? That's how you play the game. Build your zone. The zone is 1340 and 1225. That's the zone. And then play within the zone, mates. That's really it. Simple as that. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you for tuning in to the CryptoCast. Be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on TikTok as well. It's brand new. We are going to do more live trading on TikTok here in the new year. So you want to make sure that you're signed up for that. CryptoCast Leverage on TikTok. I will see you on the other side, mates. Happy trading.